Hello everyone! Today we've got here Realme C61 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, open your phone gallery. Now open keypad and let's start with the first code. The first one is *##06#. And here we've got device information where you can read email or serial number. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##, 225, #*#. And here we've got the calendar info, so you can smoothly check all upcoming events which are saved in every calendar that you have connected with your device. So let's go back. And the last code that I wanted to share with you today is *##, 426, *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode in which you can check events and status. So smoothly go through all information that you want to check. If you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.